Welcome back, everybody. It is time for our June giveaway. I know I'm a little bit late. I said I was going to do it around the 15th, but I actually ended up having to travel for work on the 15th, so better late than never. But before we get into our giveaway this month and announce what we'll be giving away for next month, I did want to give a special shout out to my patrons who help support the channel, because their contributions are very much appreciated. If anyone out there is interested in becoming a patron, you can do so through the link below. But every month I do like to give them a special shout out as a thank you. And I did want to say we got a brand new patron this month, which I'm very excited about. And he has a YouTube channel as well. It's called Halloween Inflatable Geek. So we'll take a look at that here in a bit. But again, thank you, Halloween Inflatable Geek, for joining my Fright Club. And he joins other wonderful people such as Allison Waldron, Indiana Jones, Carla, Perea, Craig Thomas, Frady Zone, Gareth Frewer, Jared O'Lantern, Prince Alarming 85, Rosemary Latham, Shannon Fredrickson, Sharon Thomas, Skull Crane Entertainment, Spooky Bev, Spooky Spectacle, Stephanie Schrutek, Stephen Miles, and Teara. Thank you again to all of you out there with your generous support. It certainly helps out the channel and with these monthly giveaways, which we'll talk about again in just a second. But first, I did want to take a peek at those YouTube channels, check in for the patrons that we have here, and see what they're up to. So let's go ahead and take a quick look. All right, so first up here, we have our newest patron, Halloween Inflatable Geek, where he and his family review Halloween products, not just inflatables, as the title says, but he does other Halloween products too here. Like there was a totally ghoul flying ghost demonstration. But let's go ahead and check out what his About section says. All right, it says, testing, finding, picking up inflatables, exploring different products. You never know what you're buying if you can't see it first. My job is to help you in your quest to have the best, coolest yard display. Not just Halloween, every season. Well, that's certainly a noble effort. Very impressed, and he genuinely seems like a great guy, so I encourage you to go check out his channel if you want to not only check out inflatables, but again, those other Halloween and I guess other season products too, which we'll find out when sadly Halloween is past, but we don't need to think about that yet. There's still quite a bit of Halloween time left. So thank you again, Halloween Inflatable Geek, but let's go ahead and check out what our other patrons are up to, including Spooky Spectacle, who joined us last month. I loved her makeup tutorials, but she's put out a few videos since then. Halloween in June, where she was doing, I believe, a giveaway, a DIY, how to create a graveyard fence, make some party punches, and some Halloween baking ideas. So again, that's Spooky Spectacle. And again, lots of fun Halloween crafts and DIYs and so forth. Jared O'Lantern, again, a Halloween haunter we all need to be aware of. He does lots of videos in creating his haunt and product reviews and so forth. The last couple of videos he made included looking through a Halloween catalog, which I think we saw in the last check-in with him, but here he's gotten a kitchen tool set, so check out that if you want to see what that is all about. But thank you, Jared O'Lantern, for being a patron. Frady Zone has put out a new video finally. It's been 5 months since the last one, so I was very excited to see what she's been up to. And it includes a Frankenstein Laboratory Halloween home haunt. It was very cute and very well done. Her videos are high production value, so very impressive. Definitely check them out, and beware of the killer chicken while you're at it. Looks like that's a new something going on up there. All right, Skull Crane Entertainment does daily animatronic vlogs and videos. So this is really handy when you, again, want to see what you might be buying and just to see what's out there. Things that I never would have guessed, like this guy was pretty cool. It is called the... Oh, wait, no, this is a dog man. That's not the one I was thinking of, although that's kind of cool too. Like this Red Riding Hood creature is completely creepy. I absolutely love it. Don't want to play that sound, but you get kind of see the picture there. Look how creepy that is. That would be terrifying to little children. It's kind of terrifying to me. It's stuff like this that you never see, if you're just shopping your usual stores. So it's good to be able to see what else is out there. All right, Spooky Bev. Again, more Halloween videos, but nothing new since her Halloween cruise 6 months ago. Spooky Bev, it's getting close to Halloween. It's time to start cranking those videos out. And Create at Home with G, who does a lot of crafting, decorating, card making videos. It's also Create at Home with Elf, so you're going to see a lot of Christmas stuff. Again, some Christmas crafts recently, but other card tutorials like how to make a Father's Day card, an anniversary card, teacher thank you card, and so forth. And hopefully, again, we'll be seeing some Halloween stuff pretty soon because he always puts out some awesome crafts toward Halloween time. And then last up, we have Indiana Jones. Indiana Jones, what can I say? She makes daily crafting vlogs. So if, she does them live, so you can interact with her as she makes them. And, if you're lonely and you're stuck in quarantine, it's great to have a friend out there making Halloween crafts and other crafts. And she's just a great person to get to know. So make sure you check out her channel too. I see she's just passed the 2,000 subscriber mark recently, so congratulations, Indiana Jones. A big thank you once again to all of my fabulous patrons out there. Your support really means a lot to me. Thank you so much. But now it is the time that you have all been waiting for. It is time for this month's drawing for the fabulous giveaway, which I know is a little boring this month. Got so busy. So we just are giving away another Amazon gift card, which is great because hopefully you'll go online and buy a fun Halloween product and let me know what you bought. But let's go ahead and see who wins. As you can see, I've entered everybody's names into this random name drawer, and there aren't too many this month. There were only 66 entries, so your chances of winning are pretty good. But let's go ahead and click the button and find out who it's going to be. All right. It's the moment of truth. Skull Crane Entertainment, one of our patrons. So thank you so much, Skull Crane Entertainment, not only for being a patron, but congratulations for winning the drawing. And it wasn't even one of the patron bonuses. You'll notice if you are a patron to the channel, you do get a double entry, but they're marked PB. So this was his just usual entry. Congratulations. And if you didn't win, better luck next time because we're going to do one pretty soon. I mean, it's almost the end of the month. It's time for the next giveaway. This month, I didn't want to give another gift card away. It's getting a little dull. So I was looking on Amazon trying to find something fun that I would be interested in doing, maybe as a video, and I came across this cool puzzle set, and it is an escape puzzle. So hopefully I'll be doing this in a video upcoming soon, but I wanted to give one away to you guys as well. This one is actually, it's not only an escape puzzle, it's a witch theme. This one is called, I think, the Witch's Kitchen or something like that, which is kind of cool. I know it's a little hard to see in the video, but you got a little witch's kitchen. You can kind of see, look, there's a little pumpkin there. I don't know. It might be fun. It got decent reviews, I think. Some of the reviews were maybe not so great, but it looks like it's going to be fun. So I've never done an escape game. In fact, I actually bought a couple escape game sets that I thought we would play together here, but I just haven't got around to it yet. So, but I love puzzles. I love mystery puzzles. And this is kind of like a mystery puzzle. It's not quite. I mean, with a mystery puzzle, you generally don't know what the puzzle's going to look like when you put it together. This one you do. I mean, they give you the picture of what it will look like, but with slight changes. So the picture on the box is not going to be the puzzle that you put together. There's going to be little changes to it. And I guess you have to identify those changes to help solve the puzzles and escape from the witch's kitchen. So I thought it'd be fun, kind of get us geared up for Halloween. Hopefully you'll be interested in it too. And if you are, you can win it next month. Again, I don't know when I'm going to do the drawing, but you need to be entered by the 15th of the month. And if you are, then you'll be entered in the drawing. But to enter, you're going to need to visit our newest patrons channel, Halloween Inflatable Geek. Go ahead and leave him a comment on one of his videos, and then leave me a comment here on this channel letting me know which video you commented on, and that'll get you entered into the drawing, which again, next month, which is July, we're almost to Halloween. Be sure you've done so by the 15th, and then I'll do the drawing sometime soon thereafter. I'm going to try to get back into the live drawing soon. It's just been, a hectic time for me. Maybe we'll do a live drawing this month. I'm not sure, don't hold me to it, but stay tuned for more details. Till then, guys, take care of yourselves and happy haunting.